Hi, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and today I want to tell you about our referral program. If you didn't already know, Plan to Eat has an amazing referral program where you can give someone 20% off their first subscription of Plan to Eat, and you get 20% lifetime commission. So, what does that mean? You get commission not just on the first time that they pay, but for the lifetime of them being a subscriber to Plan to Eat. So, it's a really cool program, really beneficial for you and for your people because you give them a discount and then you can earn commission for the entire time that they use Plan to Eat. And our 50% off sale is coming up during Black Friday weekend, which means that you can give others 50% off their first annual subscription of Plan to Eat. And then you will also still get the 20% commission for the lifetime of their subscription. And we recently made our referral program a little more accessible in the Plan to Eat app. So you can tap on the account page, go to my account, and you can see that we have the referral program right here. I can tap on my referral code and it's going to give me all of the information here about the referral program, my unique referral link. It's going to give me some share options. And then it also has these options for how you're going to get paid from the referral program. You can still access all of this information really easily from the website as well if you prefer to use Plan to Eat on your computer. So we encourage you to share Plan to Eat with your friends and family. And if you love Plan to Eat, you know the reasons why they will love it too. If you'd like more information, there is a help article linked in the description of this video. And if you have further questions, email us at help@plantoeat.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.